Cloud seeding is banned in some countries, but why? This incredible technology promises to create rain from clouds. Could humans truly control the weather, ending droughts? For decades, scientists have pursued this ambitious goal. The concept involves manipulating existing atmospheric conditions. It aims to enhance precipitation, bringing much-needed water. But this innovation sparks significant scientific and ethical debates. The idea of weather control raises many complex questions. We explore the fascinating world of artificial rainmaking. The journey into cloud seeding began surprisingly long ago. Vincent Schaefer first demonstrated ice crystal growth in 1946.
He dropped dry ice into a cloud, observing immediate snowfall.
This groundbreaking experiment occurred in a General Electric lab. Irving Langmuir, a Nobel laureate, guided Schaefer's research. Their initial findings sparked global excitement for weather modification. They pioneered the use of artificial nuclei to form precipitation. Cloud seeding fundamentally works by introducing tiny particles. These particles, called nucleating agents, trigger ice formation. Silver iodide is the most common agent, mimicking natural ice crystals. Dry ice, or frozen carbon dioxide, also effectively cools clouds. Aircraft often disperse these agents directly into supercooled clouds. Ground-based generators release silver iodide plumes into updrafts. The ice crystals grow heavier, eventually falling as rain or snow. This process requires specific cloud types and atmospheric conditions. Not every cloud can be successfully targeted for seeding operations. Many nations utilize cloud seeding to address water shortages. The United Arab Emirates heavily invests in its rain enhancement program. China conducts extensive cloud seeding operations over vast areas. These efforts aim to boost agricultural yields and replenish reservoirs. However, the effectiveness remains a subject of scientific contention. Critics question the environmental impacts of introducing chemicals. Ethical concerns include potential rain theft from downwind regions. Some countries have indeed restricted or ban these practices. Legal frameworks struggle to define ownership of atmospheric water. Despite controversies, innovation in cloud seeding continues to advance. New technologies like drones offer more precise seeding delivery methods. Artificial intelligence now optimizes targeting, maximizing efficiency. Researchers explore bio-friendly agents, reducing environmental concerns. The future of water security may increasingly rely on these methods. It offers a potential solution for regions facing severe droughts. Yet, comprehensive understanding and regulation are vitally important. Cloud seeding remains a powerful, debated innovation for our planet. It showcases humanity's ongoing quest to shape its environment. Understanding its science and implications is crucial for everyone. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.